Yo, what up, hey, how you doing, guys? My name is Sangiev. Today we are back with another video, and today we have a mixture of things into one pot. I kind of wanted to show some of my, well, one of my recent purchases. I kind of wanted to show you guys some outfits for the fall winter, and we wanted to throw in a little challenge because why not, you know? Otherwise it's just a bit boring. So let's just jump straight into it with me showing you guys my recent purchase, which has been blessed by the lovely people over at ShopStyle who are actually sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much. And what this basically means is that I'll be sharing the items that I'm wearing today in the description box down below, and also a new feature which I'll hope will work wonderfully is through the use of the cards, and they should pop up and you could click and do your shopping from there straight away, which is absolutely amazing. So the shoes, we're back. The shoes that they've blessed me with are these puppies right here, man. If you've seen my videos in the past, you know that these have been on my list for a while now, and it is the Margiela Tabi boots. Man, are they, I mean, I seem to say that all the time, but are they a thing of beauty? Absolutely insane. First of all, if you wish to learn more about the Tabi with regards to its history, with regards to its design, do check out my boy Avery's video. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box down below, a card as well. Check it out. So good, very informative, and that's definitely the best video on YouTube to learn about this beautiful silhouette with the split toe. With regards to the shoe itself, it's super subtle. The leather is very, very soft. It's grained. You've got heel detailing, which I actually wanted to test out. It's much bigger than the one on the Wyatt. I mean, the Wyatt is what, 40, and this seems to be almost not double. I'd say maybe 60. Damn, that's crazy. But then it doesn't look, hold on 2 seconds. It doesn't look as mad as the one with the Balenciaga platforms. Yeah, the Balenciaga platforms are just absolutely next level. These are a fair amount. Circular heel, which kind of gives it that feminine touch. And I think this height, genuinely on this silhouette, it does not look too bad at all. I didn't even realize it was that much bigger than the Wyatt, but hey, it is. We also have the split toe detailing, which is what makes this boot iconic. And that is pretty much it. Sizing, I tried on a size 41 in David Street Market, which is my true size. I'm gonna let the police go. Yeah, true size 41, it fits okay. I like my shoes and my boots to be really fitted, especially when they're leather or suede, because I know that with wear eventually they do soften, they do give. So I actually went down to a size 40, which is the same sizing as I go for my Wyatt. And so what I wanted to do using these shoes is to A, showcase how to style them, and B, seeing as we're coming to fall winter, I wanted to do this whole video around my fall winter outfits, using various shoes, various boots, and maybe make it like a mini sub-series. So today we have 3 outfits. For one of the outfits, I wanted to keep the budget within £100 and go to a vintage store to acquire the pieces. Okay, so we made it to Brick Lane. About to pop into, Jesus Christ, I've already stacked it. About to pop into Attica, which is obviously the #1 spot. The budget is 100 quid today, and we're gonna try and find whatever we can. Ideally, a whole outfit, but chances are gonna be slim. So we got, what, 4 items. One of the jackets I'm feeling, this banger right here, Carhartt, so sick, I love the cut of it. And then this jumper, we'll see, it's a bit Coogee-esque. And then I don't know why I'm feeling these army prints. I think it could look cool if we were to do like a whole vintage fit. This is what this looks like. It's not too bad. It's got a good cut, interesting detail here. I think layered, it can look sick. I'm swaying more towards this print. I don't know what sort of camo that is, but yeah. Let's see. I kind of picked this out to kind of check it for a different video idea that I had. It's fire though. I wish it was a bit bigger. This one's a bit too slim fitting. So this jacket is a go. And then I did, truth be told, I saw this and I was like, cool, this kind of looks like the bare knuckles one. And that's kind of why I kind of scooped it up. It's a bit big. I can get it tailored, but I also like it oversized. So I think this is going to be a go. 55 quid as well, not too bad. Maggie dropped some gems. We've got 3 other stores to hit up, so rather than me spending 55 quid and pretty much blowing half the budget straight away, let's just check out the other stores. Beyond Retro, destination numero 2. Come to the Magnus section of the store. It's nice, mate. What's that? What's that you got there? It's a nice colour, very original. Oh! Calvin Klein, finest work in the vintage store. Boom. And this shirt, low-key fire. 2 pieces from William Barry. This should be quite cool. Do I like it better than the other one? It will depend on the fit. And then this cardigan, which obviously you can only see the back of right now, but let's try them on, let's see how they fit. It's kinda nice. Kinda too slim though, I think. Such a nice colour, nice cut. This one of the fits. Not for me, mate. Not for me. I'll probably skip on this. It's a nice piece though. You already know we're in that grandpa steez right now. And we are gonna cop. Size large. Kind of box, like not boxy, but like it cuts in really nicely. I love the button placement. It's a nice little pattern as well. Yeah, I like it. It's a win. And for 24 quid, it's not too bad at all. We went to all the stores. I ended up skipping on the jacket that we first came across at Attica, just because, truth be told, it's 55 quid on a jacket that looks great, but it didn't fit perfect. And I didn't just want to buy it, show it to you guys, and then never wear it again or flip it, whatever. So we ended up going for the cardigan, which I showed you already. And then I went to this store called House of Vintage. They do incredible stuff, very well curated, kind of by era. And came across this amazing trouser, which I'll be able to show you later. That's the 100 quid spent. This is what I mean, in London, 100 quid goes very quickly. Very, very quickly. Okay, so as you saw, although we spent the £100, you have these 2 pieces, absolutely incredible finds. This was 24 quid at, where did I get this from? Beyond Retro. Amazing cardigan, love the cut. It is from Cambridge Classics, vintage cardi, love the pattern, love the fit. And then I came across these beautiful US Navy trousers from the 50s or 60s. I think this was those trousers that they would wear when they're doing the parade. In the back, you've got this lovely little lace detailing. So sick, man. Tons of buttons, and this kind of reminds me of a pair of trousers that Andy Millimista has currently that are absolutely insane. So instead of throwing these 2 pieces into one outfit, I decided to do 3 outfits, 2 of which will have the trousers and the cardigan. Got it? Got it. Let's just jump straight into it with outfit number 1. Once again, kind of similar to our last video. I wanted to do an outfit which is somewhat, I don't want to use the term basic, but this is something that everybody can wear, that most people already have in their wardrobe. We're going to start off with the bottoms. We have the running cord trousers in a cream colorway. As I said in my previous video, I copped the green set and I got the cream colored trousers, and man, do they fit amazingly. Size 30. I love the length. I love the way that they sit on the leg and the waist. Everything is perfect. Plus with these boots, that cream color really gives it a harsh little contrast with the black. Love that. On top we have a black turtleneck. Mine is from Balmain, and that is the 100% cashmere, because you know it gets cold out here and cashmere does the job. Obviously yours doesn't have to be from there. Uniqlo Basics, there's some great ones that are, I think they're cashmere actually, and they don't cost anywhere near the price that you'd be looking to pay for Balmain. And then on top, to kind of seal it all, we have one of my favorite jackets in my collection, which is my vintage shearling jacket. Absolute beauty. I love the fit. I love the fact that it's got so much history behind it as well. Once again, I'll be sure to leave links to alternatives, because some of these pieces are vintage, but there's loads of shearling jackets, and I think it's one of the staples within your fall winter wardrobe. It's a coat jacket that you will be wearing a ton of, and I will most definitely be wearing a ton of. So you can, I've had this for what now, 3-4 years, and it still does the job. It looks insane. It's a timeless piece that will transcend trends, and that's what we want when building a sick ass wardrobe. Moving on to outfit number 2, I wanted to base it around the vintage cardigan, and so I kept it real simple. This was an outfit that I love to style, and again, we're kind of keeping that monochromatic look that I mentioned in my previous video. Grey palette. When I look at this, it's like 50 Shades of, obviously he doesn't wear grey all the time, but 50 Shades of Grey, basically, quite literally, and a mix of Peaky Blinders. Like, Sangiev Shelby is in the building, boys. And it's about to go down. It's about to go down. We've got a white t-shirt from Alexander Wang, copped it in the sale, mad cheap. But if you don't want to spend a crazy amount, £5 Uniqlo, best t-shirt hands down, and I'm not even paid to say this. Then we've got the vintage cardigan. Love the pattern, love the fit. And for the bottoms, we've got a pair of color trousers. They're just insane, man. I love the color. I love the way they fit. I love the material. It's almost like this, it's not neoprene, but it kind of has that vibe to it. Like the wool has been treated in a manner which kind of keeps a very stiff shape and silhouette. And then we've got the boot at the bottom, super slim and tapered look, which kind of accentuates the boot and the heel. And then last but certainly not the least, we've got actually two more pieces. We've got the Acne Studios overcoat. I believe this one is called the Charles, once again in a grey color, and lock and coat hat for that peaky vibe. You know what I'm saying? Such a dope look. I absolutely love this, man. I think it's fire. It's got that grandpa steez, but it's like a swaggy grandpa, you know? Do you know what? I can't wait to be 50 or 60 and bust out this very same outfit. Are you dumb, fam? I was gonna be in Tabi boots when I'm 60. Like, yo, it was good. Anyway, that's that for 50 Shades of Grey / Peaky Blinders / Grandpa Steez, which then brings us to our final outfit, the most flamboyant outfit, one of my favorite fit, just because I wear this, I looked at myself in the mirror, I felt like a flamenco dancer. Or like, either a flamenco dancer, or, I don't know what they're called, but the people that do the bull thing. A toro? I don't know what they're called, I don't know what those people are called. But man, this look is just absolutely, in my opinion anyway, absolutely fire. We've got the trousers, the 50s US Navy trousers, button detailing all over the waistband. They're super high-waisted, super long in the body. Absolutely love it, and I think they sit amazingly. Now, I can wear it ever so slightly lower, get the trousers cropped or shortened, and it will sit just as nicely. But right now, I'm loving this whole like super high-waisted. I then threw it on with a vintage shirt, which I altered, I cropped, but I tucked it in anyway, so you can't even see the full length. Love the colors, love the piece, love the silky, flowy nature of it all. And then we sealed it up with my Kira black silk bomber, which I actually believe he mentioned it being a sample for the upcoming collection, so you might be able to cop it when it does go live. But black silk bombers, you can find them anywhere and everywhere, really, let's be honest. This one, however, so good, so good. And I didn't wear a hat for this look, so yeah, hatless look. My hair at the moment is a bit all over the place. I don't know what I'm doing with it, so that's why I tend to wear beanies and hats and whatever at the moment. But yeah, man, flamenco dancer, kind of looks very 70s-esque. It doesn't have flares, but whatever. I'm gonna go to Spain with this look and just probably look stupid out there. They'll probably look at me and think like, what the f are you wearing? Like, nobody wears this kind of shit. But I still want to do it just for myself anyway. I tend to do that sometimes, you know, like without getting into too much of a tangent. Like, dress into a character, you want to build the character, you want to live where the character might live. That's something I might have to speak to my therapist about. Yeah, because that's kind of f***ed up. But those are the 3 outfits that we have for the Margiela Tabi boots. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as to which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching this video. It's very much appreciated. If you wish to leave it a thumbs up, you may do so. If you wish to subscribe to see more, do that too. By the way, thank you for the support on my previous video. The giveaway is still live and will be live for another week. So if you haven't yet, go check it out. It's me styling the off-white Prestos in a non-high beat, well, just basically in my way. So without any skinny jeans, like zipper pants, skinny jeans, or any sweatpants. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just not me. Ting. If you wish to follow me on my social media, it's all right here, Sangiev. Thank you to the wonderful people at Shop Style for blessing me with these, man. Oh, there aren't that many boots that I want now, to be honest with you. I mean, I saw them in the white colour, and the white colour is so fit, so that might be one to cop. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with my boots collection. Look at it. It's doing decent, and there's more to it. There's more CK pieces which aren't on the shelf at the moment. Have a beautiful day. Take care.